Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wallpapers gets darker in dark icon in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, click and hold any app. You will see, click on edit home screen. Now here you will see edit. So click on edit. And click on customize. Now here you will see this darker icon. So you will select darker. Again click on customize. You will see darker. So that's how you can fix wallpaper gets darker in dark icon in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.